In this video, we're going to talk about installing the CLEW companion. Now that we've paired our device, we need to install the CLEW companion on our Android device. We also need to set up our CLEW software to be able to talk to the CLEW companion. So in the CLEW software, we're going to come here to Settings, Configuration. We're going to go to the Peripherals tab. Where it says Companion App, we're going to put a check in Enable Companion App Support. We're going to click Save. Now we can go to our Android device, and we are going to go into our Google Play Store, and we're going to search for CDI CLEW Companion. And that should bring up the CDI CLEW companion, which will look just like this. So we'll click on it. We'll click Install. It tells us that it needs these permissions, so we're going to accept. Now it's installing. And now it's done. So we're ready to open our CLEW companion. So we'll back out of here. And back in our window here, we just need to go find the companion app that was just installed. If your phone is like mine, it's going to be the last one. So we'll go ahead and launch our CLEW companion. Now the first time you bring it up, it's going to ask you to select a device. So we know from the pairing process that our device is MarkIDX LT. So I'm going to select MarkIDX, and it's going to sync. Now if you notice, the menus here for creating records are exactly the same as the menus over here in our CLEW application. So if we look at CLEW, we have 4 templates: nurse, security guard, teacher, volunteer, plus we have the DOCE and the NFUF. Going back to our phone, if we go into our templates, we have nurse, security guard, teacher, volunteer. We also have our FBI DOCE and NFUF. Now at this point, you are all set up and ready to use your CLEW companion.